Hey guys, taking a look at Twitter today. Somehow, this happens. Totally random. I don't know what this price line is, but 29.77 seemed to line up pretty well, but it's old information. Let's delete it and move on. As you can tell, we do these in one take. Twitter on the daily time frame. Big volume day, big move today, so it's nice to see the volume backing that up, but we are seeing a little bit of profit taking up here. So what we're going to do first of all is get some context for where we are in the weekly chart. We want to look back and see what resistances we have in the way as we continue this little bull run, theoretically, that we are going to at least attempt to in the short term. We have resistance at 45.86. We'll look at the short-term time frames to see if that came into play at all today. And then we're going to have today's high day at 46.82 and 47.79 above that. Otherwise, on the weekly time frame, we've got ourselves a pretty nice little uptrend here. It's going to look a lot better on the daily time frame, but we've got weekly lows at 38.10. So far, bulls are in nice control of the daily and the weekly time frame. Here's that area of support, big volume today, 46.82. Again, the high of day from today's trading session. So now, what can we look forward to tomorrow? We got our context. Let's see what the plan might look like. Well, first of all, on the daily time frame, we are overbought. So it's likely, and I know for a fact, we were far more overbought as far as the RSI is concerned when the price was near the high of day. So we've started to see some consolidation here, and we'll have to take a look at what type of consolidation that is. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we've got our first initial 4-hour pullback. We are still setting consecutive higher lows overall, and we're going to be looking for something to develop here. Now, the key is for the 4-hour time frame, and maybe even the hourly, is to watch for a lack of follow through on lower highs and lower lows. Meaning, if we go to the hourly time frame, let's say we develop ourselves a nice little hourly downtrend. It looks something like that. We're going to be locking out the lows of these candlesticks just barely. And sometimes you would expect with a loss of support to see a big cascade to the downside with a lot of volume. If that doesn't happen and you get this sort of sideways action with just ever so slight lower lows with no follow through and lower highs in a nice tight little range, that is how we develop a bull flag on a larger time frame. So that's one thing we'll be watching for on the hourly time frame. Right now we have our EMA 26 support and EMA 12 support. We can see this little blue line is our EMA 12. That's what we're bouncing off of right about now on the hourly time frame. And we're going to keep a close eye on the development of a 15-minute trend here. We're going to be looking for bulls to defend this level. We want to see that defended in after hours. And if we can do that, we have the possibility of setting a 15-minute lower high under 46.82. And that will turn into exactly what we just talked about on the hourly time frame and the development of a bull flag. Now, we may do something completely different. If bulls smash through 46.82, then all power to them. We will just be on a beautiful hourly uptrend with another higher high. We will ride that. We will look for 5-minute consolidation patterns, 2-minute consolidation patterns. And as long as bulls are in control and maintain control, there's going to be a lot of opportunities here. But for our more conservative entry, let's see what the hourly time frame does for us going into tomorrow's action. Thanks for watching. If you got more questions about technical analysis, feel free to post a question in the comments, and feel free to send me email as well, support@chartguys.com.